मैम स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं दिख रहा है। नहीं नहीं नहीं। हाँ अभी दिख रहा है। ओके। ओके। अरे फिर बंद हो गया मैम। हाँ। ओके। ओके। प्रोडक्ट कंसेप्ट क्या है पहले बेसिक समझ लो, उसके बाद कंप्यूटर डेफिनेशन। कंसेप्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मीन सपोज any organizations or any company wants to capture the market by selling its own product. Okay, by selling its own product. So basically the company look or survey the people of that particular area where he opened any shop or any outlet or any mall. First of all, you're going to observe the how much people are below poverty line, or what is the source of income, how much persons are salaried, how much of them are businessmen, how much of they are means unemployment, what is their income, minimum income. So according to that particular concept, they will going to have a good. They will going to bring the goods into the market. Okay, into the local. Okay, so why it has been done? It has been done because of the criterias, following criteria. First of all, they want to have the profit of that particular good which they want to sell it in the market, among the customers, among the consumers. And their first priorities is that they will going to observe how much sell they are doing on this particular product, on that particular product. Apart from that, at the back of mind, they always have that perception in their mind that every one of every individual, maximum individual in the society or in the area or in the city can purchase that particular product. This will be the concept. First of all, understand this thing. Why it has been done? ये क्यों किया जाता है? Just to be available in the market, just to be easily available in the market, so that they can earn a huge amount of profit. Now, you just come in the what do you guys 90s, 99, 2000, 2004, 5. How many of you in the areas where you are staying having four-wheeler or two-wheelers? You can really count, particularly you can count them. Now, even the people who are residing in the slum areas, even they are capable enough to purchase the four-wheeler or two-wheeler. No, I'm not talking about the four-wheelers, but the persons who are residing in the slum areas, they are having a meager income. Okay, hand to mouth, they are having their means daily income is hand to mouth. जितना लाएंगे उतना ही खर्चा करेंगे। 100 रुपया अगर आया है तो 50 का सामान लाएंगे, 10 रुपया का तेल, किराने की दुकान में जाते हैं, 10 रुपया का तेल, 5 रुपया का 10 रुपया का दाल, 5 रुपया का जीरा, इस तरह से वो खरीदते हैं। लेकिन आज जाके उनके पास देखिए कि उनके पास भी एक टू व्हीलर अवेलेबल है। वाई? Because the company has this policy that now to capture the market, we need to have the product easily available to everybody in the areas. That is why it has been so easily. This is the first concept. दूसरा concept क्या था? दूसरा concept ये था, पहले इन द 90s और इन द 2000 ये इंस्टॉलमेंट वाला फैसिलिटीज उतना नहीं था। देयर इज नो मच, नॉट सो मच ऑफ फैसिलिटीज ऑफ इंस्टॉलमेंट। फॉर एग्जांपल बजाज फाइनेंस, okay, Axis Bank Finance, ICICI Finance, and all lot of finance companies are there who are sitting there just to finance the car, two-wheeler, whatever you purchase, that too in a zero down payment. Do you know that? With a 0% rate of interest or zero down payment, you can easily bring down the electronic items or whatever you want to purchase, you can bring to the market. So these all are the things, are the concept. These all are the concept. Okay. Every day the concept are changing. Every day there is a new concept in the market available in the market. Every day you will see some new goods available in the market. Look at the modification. Each and everywhere you are purchasing from needle to aeroplane. There is lots of modification is there. Why? Because they have the strategies to earn the profit, to capture the market, to capture the customers. It is so tough, not only in bike sector, not only in steel sector, but every sector, whether it is an education sector or any other sector, shoemaking sector, whatever the sector is there, there is a tough marketing because every alternates, every day some new alternate items are being available in the market. Okay, आज से आप 10 साल 5 साल पहले पीछे चल जाओ, इतना वैरायटीज नहीं था। आज जितना वैरायटीज है, आने वाला समय इतना डिजिटल हो जाएगा कि ये बताया जाता है कि आई हैव heard from somebody else, a professor from Malaysia. There was a there was an international conference in our college, and the person, the one of the professor from Malaysia, he visited to our country, India, and we are fortunate to have in our university. He told us he's doing his PhD. He has done his PhD in marketing research related to AI. His topic was that. Okay, now he's telling that after some days or after not many some or not many years is left, after 1 or 2 years now, you will see that the market will be so digitalized that means I cannot even means suppose you can see, suppose you want clothes, suppose you want to have a cloth, suppose you want to have a salwar kameez, you want to have a jeans. Okay, no needed to visit or go to any shopping mall. मेरा बात यहाँ खत्म नहीं हुआ, आपको लगेगा सर अभी तो ऑनलाइन परचेज हम लोग कर लेते, यहाँ खत्म नहीं हुआ है। अभी क्या है, इतना डिजिटल हो जा रहा है कि देयर विल बी अ ट्रायल सेक्शंस, देयर विल बी अ मेजरमेंट सेक्शन, देयर विल बी अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव सेक्शंस designed by AI, where sitting at your home, sitting at your residence, at your own place, you can easily give your measurements, you can easily give your choice of colors, you can easily give your trial, and hand to hand, they will going to deliver you the clothes. Nowadays, what happened? Um, uh, you need minimum 1 week. Suppose you want to stitch your salwar kameez, or you want to stitch some suit and all, whatever you want. So it hardly takes 1 week, 5 days, 6 days. But now the professor is telling from Malaysia, he's telling that the intelligence is so upgraded nowadays in China, Japan, America, that they're sitting at a home, the customer sitting at a home, clicking one button on a computer, each and everything they can get in their residence only. The AI model is so well structured that each and everything you can have in your residence. The measurement, the trial section, the choice of color, the choice of each and everything. Okay, the computer, it is the market is getting so digital. और उसका असर आप देख रहे हो. Big Basket, Reliance, everyone you can have online shoppings. Not only, first of all, you are only having dal, chawal, chapatis, bread, milk. Nowadays, they are selling the what you can say, seafoods, sea market, ready made. Okay, the market is so much means upgraded. So much has been uh, glamorized with all this thing. This all comes under the concept. These all procedures comes under the concept or strategies. Okay. Is it clear to you with the descriptions that I have given to you? Because I need these descriptions to be described to explain it to you before I going to start unit 3, the product concept. Otherwise, you will be in a different mood swing of your mood. Why? Because there is a lot of things are there. Okay, that's why to start this unit, I need to give a brief introduction. Is it clear to you? Anything you have doubt? Okay, चलो ठीक है. So our product concept is also known as concept statement and a description or vision of a product or service typically developed at an early stage of product line. Okay, therefore, product concept are built long before any kind of design or engineering work, taking into account market analysis, customer experience, product features, product market fit, cost, and more to help bringing the concept to life. What I have said, the things are being already mentioned in this line. Before coming before coming in the product line, you need to have a concept, clear concept about the product you will going to have in the product line. Okay, that is the product concept. Okay, I think you have understood. Okay, ma'am, please go to the next slide. Thank you. What includes in product concept? The next one is what are the includes in the product service? Number one, the product or service name. This one is very much important. Your name, the service name. What is the name of the product? It should be very much dignified. It should be very much means easily that comes to your mouth. Okay, easily you can remember. The products, the name of the product, the brand of the product should be in a such a way that it should be clearly comes in the mind of the people or the mind of the customers. That is the product or service name. Yes.
So, like most of the company, like they opt for some catchy captions or some catchy names.
Phrases, patchy lines. Okay,
Yes.
just to attract the customer, just to glamorize, or just to these all are the concept or strategies of marketing. Madhusmita. Understood one thing. At the back of the mind, they have only one concept. Now, Tropicana fresh fruit juice. Do you think that Tropicana is selling you the fresh fruit juice? No. At the back of the packets, if you remember, if you look at the ingredients, if you look at the percentage of the carbonates,
And
sugars, or
preservative and everything.
preservatives or carbon contents, if you look at all those ratings, you will easily understood that the name what they have been given is quite different from the materials that they are providing to us. And apart from that, if you read the packets very carefully, it has been written over there, please don't go by the name of the product that we are selling. It is simply the name of the company that we are selling. Means Tropicana fresh mango juice or apple juice is the name of the company. Try to understand this. Understood? Are you getting my point? What I mean to say? Now slice.
Yes, sir.
Pepsi. Now slice, Pepsi, whatever the food. You go with the food drinks, you go with the food beverages and all. You just look at those things. Okay? You just very clearly look at all those things. You will going to mesmerized by seeing all these things. That just to means just to be a catchy, just in the eyes of the customer, just to make feel uh, in the eyes of the customers that we are selling the fresh thing. They are preparing all these things. Listen one thing, I'm telling you. Just say fresh paneer, Amul fresh paneer. Do you think they are selling the fresh paneer? No. Just see the package when it has been packed and out of which how much expiry date is remaining, how when the product will be expired. You just go on remember. For 1 year, you it can be kept in a refrigerator. आज ही बाजार से अमूल फ्रेश पनीर ला के देखना वो चीज और वहां पर भी पैकेट में मेंशन है अमूल फ्रेश पनीर जो है पनीर फ्रेश नहीं हमारा कंपनी का नाम है इट्स अ नेम ऑफ आवर कंपनी अमूल फ्रेश पनीर. These all are the catchy phrases they are using just to attract the customer. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
These all are there. Next है Target users or segment that I have told you already, what I've mentioned, the examples in my previous point, the same point is here. Target users or segment. There is a few segments are there, areas are there where they used to do the marketing. Now, how much of household mothers or wives have get enough time that they lactocalamize the milk, process the milk, fermented the milk, and then make it into a cheese form. And after making it a cheese form, they cut into the slices of paneer and they will make a sabzi of that. How many of they have got a time? So the concept of marketing such a way they have been created that we will going to attract or we will going to target all those customers who doesn't have any time. आज बिग बास्केट सबसे बड़ा ब्रांड है. Why? Shah Rukh Khan is a big ambassador of this. Do you know why? Because lots of you can say customers are there who doesn't have enough time to go to the market for half an hour, for 45 minutes. They need to spare for buying vegetables or seafoods of you can see fishes and all. That is why they target audiences. They target the customers. And before coming to the market, now Big Basket make a survey of all these things. Big Basket make a survey of all those things. Okay. And after doing the survey, they found that if in this particular areas, Big Basket हर एक जगह नहीं है. आप अगर गालूडी में चले जाओ, आप अगर घाटशिला में चले जाओ या फिर कुछ देहाती इलाके में चले जाओ, वहां पर आपको बिग बास्केट का वही भी दुकान नहीं मिलेगा. ऑनलाइन आप कीजिए, आपको जाके पहुंचा के आएगा. उनको पता है अगर मैं टाटा में एक कोई दुकान लूं तो मैं कौन कौन सा एरियाज को कवर अप कर सकता हूं. वो डिमना चौक में जा सकता है, मानगो एरियाज में जा सकता है, और भी डीप इंटीरियर इडल बेरा बोल के एक जगह है, वहां जा सकता है. वहां तक सर्विस वो प्रोवाइड कर सकता है. वो बड़े बड़े सिटी सेंटर को हैक करते हैं, बड़े बड़े सिटी सेंटर्स एरियाज में जहाँ बिग बास्केट है, और वहां से वो इतने रेडियस में इतना तरह का पीपल्स और इतने तरह का इंसान रहते हैं जिनको पास जिनके पास इतना वक्त नहीं होता है कि वो जाए और एवरी डे वेजिटेबल्स परचेज करके लाए. और इसी का फायदा बिग बास्केट उठाता है. आपके मोबाइल पे सारा दुनिया है. आप थोड़ा सा सोच के देखो कहां पर हम लोग जा रहे हैं. एआई ने कितना डेवलपमेंट कर दिया है. कैन यू एवर इमेजिन ऑल दोस थिंग्स. पहले टाटा क्या इतना बड़ा था, आज आदित्यपुर और गमरिया को भी टाटा ने एक्सटेंशन के रूप में ले लिया गया है. आज पहले टाटा के आउटर सेक्शंस में गुड्स ट्रेन को वेटिंग करवाया जाता है. आज आदित्यपुर का सबसे बड़ा एरियाज को वहां पर गुड्स ट्रेन को शंटिंग करवाया जाता है. खरीद लिया है टाटा ने उस चीज को, गमरिया तक पहुंच गया है. That is why these companies know where to open the particular shop and how to catch the customers. And this is the way they are doing. Because the persons in this particular industrial areas, every day they need to go to the office. They need to go to the office with a perfect time because their punching time at 9 minutes, sharp at 9, they will have to punch. If 3 days consecutively they fail to punch at the right time, then one CL, EL, or whatever the things they are having, facilities, that will be deducted. Even the salaries will going to be deducted. They know all these things, and that is why they capture all those markets. Am I clear? The third one is how target users will use the product and services that I have told you. How the companies set the target accordingly and provide the facilities to the customers. They will going to observe. The next one is what problems or pain points the product or services or sales. Now, before capturing the market, they always look at the negative aspect of the particular product or particular areas. What are the negative aspects we need to find? बिकॉज पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट जो है वो ठीक है, वो तो पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा ना. लेकिन क्या क्या नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट है, क्या क्या नेगेटिव एनवायरनमेंट क्या है, नेगेटिव सिनेरियोस क्या है, वो उसका एक पिक्चर अपने दिमाग में बिठा लेते हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वो उस चीज को करते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है द बिजनेस goals, the product or services and support. Okay, the next one is they set up a goal and services And according to the goal they set up, they started to provide the services to the customers. The concept's unique selling points. The concept unique selling points means they set a target that you need to sell all these products within this time frame. Otherwise, it will be useless. Okay. The next one is the overall vision and strategies for the user's experience. After getting the capturing the market, they will going to see or overview the what you can see the experiences the customers are having related to that particular product. Perhaps most crucially, great products concept addresses a market or a customer's need rather than building you think the market needs. Now listen to what people are saying. To this end, you must carry out market research and product market fit research to uncover opportunities and needs. This is the next step they are taking. Though they feel that this particular point or this particular strategy is really very crucial for the customers and also perhaps for the needs of the customer. So what they think and they research, and after doing the research, they uncover all the areas and strategy of the strategies they have been planned so that their motto is clear to earn profit. So these are all the product concept which with the points. Is it clear? Do you have any doubt on any particular point? Please tell me. Otherwise, I'm going to the next slide. Okay, ma'am, please go to the next slide. Thank you. Okay, now product classifications. What is product classification is all about? Now, product classification. Thank you, ma'am, for the percentage you have make it to screen us the size. Okay, now the product classification organizes product into four categories based mostly on consumer buying behavior. Similarly, competing brands and price range, classifying product, help marketings, and sales team develop strategies to target consumer needs. So these are the four categories. Now, what are the four classifications of the categories? Number one, convenience good. Number two, market convenience. Not number two. This is a sub point. Marketing convenience good. Number two, shopping goods, specialty goods. Okay, unsought goods. Okay. Now, what is convenience goods? Convenience goods are the goods the customers buy repeatedly without much thought. For example, gum, adhesive, soap, toothpaste, shampoo. So these are the convenience good. What is the meaning of this convenience good? Convenience goods means once you have make a choice, 90% or 85% of the customers will go with the particular brands only. Suppose the people of your local areas using this particular type of toothpaste, or you are using say for example close up toothpaste. Now your first priorities, your first choice will be definitely go to the market and purchase close up. If the option is not available there, then you will going to shift from one brand to the another brand. So this convenience good means that without any concept, without any strategies, without any perceptions the customers having in their mind, they will options or they will opt for the same regular goods, household good. ठीक है, इस तरह का गुड्स को हम कन्वीनियंस गुड कहते हैं. ठीक है, इसमें कोई सोच समझने की कुछ चीज नहीं है. जाना है, दुकान नाम बोलना है, एक बार में वो चीज पसंद कर लिया आपने, बार बार जाके वही नाम बोलना है, वही सामान लाना है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्रिटानिया, उसका कितना वर्जन आ गया है. ब्रिटानिया को छोड़ के आप ब्रिक्स फार्म ले लीजिए या फिर और भी न्यूट्री चॉइस बिस्किट्स ले लीजिए. लेकिन बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स होते हैं वो दुकान में जाके बोलते ही नहीं है उतना. मेरी बिस्किट्स जो है बहुत सारा वैरायटीज में आया है लेकिन उतना चॉइस ही नहीं करते हैं. क्या करते हैं, ब्रिटानिया पसंद है, आई नीड टू गो फॉर ऑप्शंस फॉर द ब्रिटानिया बिस्किट्स ओनली. आई विल नेवर एवर गोइंग टू opt for the second options. Okay, The my first priority will be the Britannia. Okay, if I'm not getting that particular biscuits, then I will choose for the next option. This is called the convenience good. Am I clear? Okay. Now the sub point: marketing convenience good. To promote a convenience good, remember that most people impulse buy these products. Placing your product near the checkout line at a store could be a good idea of these products. That is why you all often find a candy and gum at front of a stores. This is called marketing convenience good. Now you are going for, अच्छा, ये मार्केटिंग कन्वीनियंस गुड्स का एक और मतलब मैं समझा देता हूँ. देखिएगा आजकल थोड़ा सा इस आजकल तो नहीं, आज से कम से कम एक दो महीना पहले चेंजेस का बहुत किल्लत पड़ गया था. Hardly we get a change, and everybody, what used to they purchase, they go for a one small amount of they purchase a small amount of a good, and they are going a denominations 500 to that particular shop. The shop owner also getting very frustrated that if the person is buying say something a goods of minimum 50-40 rupees, they are paying 500 bucks for that particular good. Now they return 460, they need to return the change of rupees 460 rupees. Now will it be possible every time for every you can say uh, the shop owner to return the same the amounts? No, it is not possible. So what they used to do to make the convenience, एक दो रुपया का तीन रुपया का खुजरा नहीं मिलता था, चेंजेस नहीं मिलता था, वो क्या करते थे, अपने दुकान के सामने लाइन से एक बयाम चॉकलेट रख देते थे, कुछ और स्टफ रख देते थे. व्हाट दे यूज्ड टू डू कि एक रुपया तो नहीं है, आप एक चॉकलेट लीजिए. This is also a marketing strategy, and just to have a convenience, sell convenience to the customer, the market used to do that. Is it clear? Understood what is the market convenience good is all about? Are you there? I'm asking you.
No, no, sir. It is not clear.
Then I am asking you repeatedly. Then why you are not answering me? Please answer. Otherwise, I'm going to shift for the second point. Na? Which one is not clear? Now tell me.
So the marketing convenience.
Marketing convenience goods. Okay. These some customers are having impulse to purchase any particular product. Say, for example, you have an impulse in your mind that I need to purchase or I need to have this product of this particular company only. Okay. Now, suppose on any Sunday you fail to get that particular product from the shop. What will happen? You will really feel obsessed for that. You will really feel sorry for that, and your mood will going to be little bit frizzy. Your moods will going to be little bit frizzy, and you will be going to be little bit angry. हमें जब अपना पसंदीदा सामान कभी नहीं मिलता है, कहीं नहीं मिलता है, हम थोड़ा सा गुस्सा या फिर चिंतित नहीं हो जाते हैं.
हाँ, yes,
इसका
sir.
फायदा इसका फायदा क्या होता है? दुकानदार उठाते हैं. कैसे उठाते हैं? देखो मैं समझाता हूँ. अब दुकानदार क्या करते हैं? दो तरफ से समझो, मैं दोनों तरफ से समझाऊँ. अब दुकानदार क्या करते हैं? दुकानदार बोलते हैं कि सर जी एक काम कीजिए, अभी ना ये सामान मिलना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो गया. बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं है, आजकल सब कुछ ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन दोनों जगह अवेलेबल है. आप थोड़ा सा अमेज़न में ट्राई कर लो या फिर कोई भी कहीं पर भी जो भी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग्स है वहाँ ट्राई कर लो, आपको वो प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएँगे डेफिनिटली. लेकिन आपको थोड़ा सा इम्पल्स रेट को और बढ़ाने के लिए, आपको थोड़ा सा इम्पल्स सॉरी बढ़ाने के लिए, घटाने के लिए वो क्या करते हैं? वो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रैटेजीज़ प्ले करते हैं. वो क्या करते हैं? दे यूज्ड टू से दैट सॉरी सर वी डिडंट हैव दिस प्रोडक्ट. आप कहीं भी दुकान में चले जाइए, ये प्रोडक्ट आपको नहीं मिलेगा. उनको पता है वो दुकान क्या छाँट के आया है क्या? पता नहीं है, नहीं है. लेकिन फिर भी वो आपसे बता कर जाएगा, सर कहीं नहीं मिलेगा सर, हमने साक्षी घूम के आया, नहीं मिला. लेकिन वो प्रोडक्ट हो सकता है साक्षी में है, लेकिन आपको मतलब खाली हाथ ना लौटाए. वो क्या करेगा? अपना दूसरा प्रोडक्ट सेम क्वालिटी सेम प्राइस सेम इंग्रेडिएंट्स दे विल गोइंग टू स्टार्ट टू सेलिंग. Okay, this is called the marketing convenience good. This type of impulse or this type of business whichever done by the you can shop owner is called marketing convenience code. एक और एग्जांपल समझो, दूसरी तरह से समझो, ये तो एक एग्जांपल गया, एक और एग्जांपल, सपोज before 6 months there is a lot of problem ना, changes are not available in the market. कोई 60 रुपया का सामान खरीद रहा है, they need to pay 500 rupees, and how many times the shop owner will going to make a change of every customers. वो उस समय क्या करते हैं, एक स्ट्रेटेजी ट्रिक्स खेलते हैं। क्या करते हैं, आपको 10 रुपया वाला बिस्किट चिपका देगा ताकि उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा चेंजेस देने की जरूरत नहीं, या तो फिर कुछ चॉकलेट्स वगैरह देखिएगा दुकान में सजा हुआ रहता है, आपको क्या करेगा, आपके पास सपोज उनके पास 1 रुपीज का कोई चेंज नहीं होता है, दे विल गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड टॉफी फॉर यू, दे विल गोइंग टू गिव अ चॉकलेट फॉर दैट, इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ दैट 1 रुपया का प्रॉफिट तो उनको मिल गया, आपको एक चॉकलेट दे दिया। This type is also called the marketing. This all are comes under the marketing convenience strategies. Are you getting my points? Are you getting my points?
हाँ सर।
कन्वीनियंस, आप दोबारा से एक बार रिपीट करें, कन्वीनियंस गुड का मतलब क्या है, एवरी डे यू आर यूजिंग योर हाउस होल्ड गुड्स, आप दुकान जाते हो वही सामान आप लेके आते हो, फर्स्ट करो उस दिन आपको वो सामान नहीं मिला, तो दुकानदार दो ऑप्शंस में आपको ये करते हैं, पहला तो दूसरा कंपनी से कोई दूसरा सामान आपको चिपका देते हैं, और
हाँ
कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपके पास कुछ चेंजेस नहीं है, ठीक है, तो वो फिर आपको चॉकलेट वगैरह चिपका देते हैं। इस तरह का स्ट्रेटेजीज को मार्केटिंग कन्वीनियंस गुड्स कहा जाता है। एम आई क्लियर?
यस सर।
नाउ इट इज क्लियर टू यू?
हाँ सर।
चलो, come to the next, shopping goods. What's the meaning of shopping goods? Look, shopping goods are product shoppers typically spend more time researching and company comparing before the buy. Unlike convenience good, these are rarely impulse purchases. Okay? Now, some people are there who go on researching the goods. Who go on researching the goods. आप कभी अगर शॉपिंग मॉल या फिर कहीं भी छोटे मोटे दुकान, छोटे मोटे नहीं, ये आपको सिटी साइज, मतलब सिटी एरियाज में ना कुछ 20% कस्टमर ऐसा मिलेगा ना, what they used to do, they used to calculate, they used to research before buying any product. Are you getting my point? Suppose they want to have a shaving cream, अब वो सपोज शेविंग क्रीम जिलेट के लेते हैं या फिर पामोलिव के लेते हैं या फिर कोई दूसरा ब्रांड के वो लेते हैं, सपोज उनको क्या हुआ, उस दिन वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिला, वो क्या करते हैं, अगर दुकानदार चाहते हैं कि आप सर ये प्रोडक्ट ले लीजिए, तो बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स होते हैं वो प्रोडक्ट ले लेते हैं, लेकिन कुछ कस्टमर्स रहते हैं वो ऐसे होते हैं, वो रिसर्च एनालिसिस करते हैं, if I buy this product, what are the facilities I will going to get, what are the components I am having, what are the ingredients that I am having if I purchase this product, how much profit the shop owner is making, and how much the portion of profit that I am getting. With all this survey and research, finally, after spending minimum half an hour in the market by research and analyzing to purchase any product, they finally buy the product. This type of customers who are doing this type of what you can say, shopping and this type of marketing is called shopping goods. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, come to the next, specialty goods. Now, what is specialty goods? A specialty good is the only product, okay, of its kind on the market. Now, this means consumers don't usually feel the need to compare and deliberate as much as they would with shopping product. Okay, देखो इस तरह का कस्टमर्स को स्पेशलिटी गुड्स कहा जाता है। मैंने इससे पहले आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया था ना कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल वो बाटा वाला एग्जांपल दिया था, बाटा वाला जो शूज लेके आते हैं,
यस सर।
उनके उनके दुकान में आप कितने कस्टमर्स देखते हैं, कितने कस्टमर, हाउ मेनी कस्टमर्स, यू कैन काउंट द कस्टमर्स, but it is a brand, the brand because of this brand they are making thousands of crores of profit, they are having a business turnover. Now, specialty goods related to those customers who doesn't do any research. Whatever the price, whatever the amount you need to pay, they will going to pay for the particular good. But the condition is one: the good should be of A1 quality. Okay, this type of customers comes under specialty goods. That is why I have told you every market or every businessman has their own special product kept in the market. आप उस स्पेशल प्रोडक्ट को लेने के लिए उन्हीं दुकान में जाओ. एक छोटा सा सिंपल सा आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं. आप कभी मार्केट जाके इस चीज को सर्वे कीजिएगा. छोटा सा एग्जांपल. दो तरह का मूंगफली बाजार में आता है. एक सफेद वाला मूंगफली, एक लाल वाला मूंगफली. लाल वाला जो मूंगफली होता है मीठा होता है, बहुत महंगा होता है, जिसे हम बादाम कहते हैं. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट्स? आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट्स? अब आप मार्केट सर्वे जहां पर रहते हो, आस पड़ोस के दुकान में जाके देखो कि वो जो रेड वाला पीनट्स है, वो आपको नट्स जो है, रेड वाला जो नट्स है, वो आपको दुकान में कोई भी दुकान में इजीली अवेलेबल होता है कि नहीं. आई एम गिविंग यू अ सिंपल रिसर्च टू डू अ रिसर्च ऑन दिस थिंग्स. आपको वो मिलेगा कि नहीं, आप पहले देख के आइए. आउट ऑफ
नहीं,
आई कैन
बहुत कम ही रहता है।
out of I can say out of if you visit to 10 shop, उसमें से कोई एक जन या दो जन ही रखता है, because it is costly.
यस सर।
90 to 110 rupees per kg. नॉर्मल जो लाल बादाम मूंगफली जिसे हम कहते हैं 110 रुपीज केजी. और सफेद वाला जो मूंगफली है वो कहीं पर भी आपको मिल जाएगा, कोई भी छोटा मोटा किराने दुकान में मिल जाएगा, जिसका 70 से 60 70 80 रुपया केजी होता है, पर केजी. This is the simple research. Now, few customers are there, na, they will never ever go for the second option, that okay, I am, if I am not having that, if I am unable to purchase that, or if I am not able to get the particular red peanuts or red nut, I will go for the second options to have a white nut. No, if they are not having with any price at any cost, they will go pay for that particular product. इसीलिए कुछ कुछ दुकानदार जो होता है, अपना कुछ स्पेशल प्रोडक्ट डेफिनेटली रहता है. आप उस दुकान में जाइए, 200% आपको वो बादाम या मूंगफली आपको मिल जाएगा. मैंने सिर्फ एक मूंगफली का एग्जांपल दिया, आप दोबारा और ये एग्जांपल्स आप इसे रिसर्च कर सकते हो. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू, मार्केट के ऊपर रिसर्च करना मतलब बहुत सारा कुछ, बहुत आप रिसर्च कर सकते हो छोटा छोटा. This is called specialty goods. That's next one is, अच्छा, look at the examples of specialty goods. देखो examples दिया है. Luxury cars, okay, government luxury car garments, okay, food brands and designer clothes. This all comes under specialty goods. Okay, मैंने तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक मूंगफली का एग्जांपल दिया है, यहाँ पर लग्जरी कार्स का भी एग्जांपल दिया है. जिन्होंने एक बार फोर्ड कार या फिर मर्सिडीज कार यूज किया है, उनको क्या टाटा सफारी, स्कॉर्पियो, बोलेरो, या फिर आप ले लीजिए टाटा नैनो, प्रीविया, आर्टिगा, इनोवा, ये सब अच्छा लगेगा? नहीं लगेगा. ठीक है. एक और एग्जांपल सिंपल सा स्ट्रेटजीज मैं आपको देता हूं. सपोज एवरी डे यू आर सिटिंग एट अ सेम प्लेस, सेम कॉर्नर at your office. On a some day, your boss told you that from tomorrow onwards, you need to sit on that particular cabin. Your cabin has been changed. You need to go on that particular cabin. वो जो लगाव आपको पुराना केबिन में था ना, आपको जब वहां भेजा जाएगा ना, आप थोड़ा सा इरिटेट हो जाओगे, मन बैठ जाएगा, दिल थोड़ा सा दुख जाएगा, आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. दैट इज वाई जिन्होंने ब्रांड एक बार यूज कर लिया है, कोई भी कंपनी का ब्रांड यूज कर लिया, चाहे वो क्लोथ्स हो, लग्जरी कार्स हो, लग्जरी वॉचेस, लग्जरी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आइटम्स, व्हाटएवर, मोबाइल्स एंड ऑल, एक बार जो यूज कर लिया है, आप उनको कोई भी दूसरा लग्जरी आइटम्स या कोई भी छोटा मोटा आइटम्स दे दो, उनको वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्पेशलिटी गुड्स. Come to the next is unsought good. Unsought products are goods that people aren't usually excited to buy. These Products have utility, but they are usually not fun purchase. Good example of unsought goods include fire extinguisher, insurance, and a refrigerator. रेफ्रिजरेटर को मैं अनसॉट गुड्स में नहीं मानता हूं, बट at the time of research doing on this unsought good, I found numerous examples on electronic items, refrigerator, ceiling fan. इस तरह का कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स है जिसको अनसॉट गुड कहा जाता है। अनसॉट गुड का मतलब होता है उनको पसंद नहीं है परचेस करना, दे डजंट वांट टू परचेस दिस पर्टिकुलर गुड्स, बट दे नीड टू परचेस। ओके, जैसे इंश्योरेंस, आपको पसंद है इंश्योरेंस लेना, क्योंकि पता है आपको मरने के बाद ही उसका प्रॉफिट आपको दिखेगा, जीते जाते मैं उसको कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूं, और लंबा 25 साल 20 साल के बाद अगर मैं जिंदा रहा तब प्रॉफिट देखूंगा, अदरवाइज अगर इस बीच में कुछ हो जाता है तो मेरा बाद जो मेरा रिमेनिंग है उनको मिलेगा। तो व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ हैविंग एन इंश्योरेंस? बट मोदी सरकार has made it very compulsory to everyone of whether it is doing his whether a particular person is doing his job in the university, institutions, any organizations, it is compulsory to have a insurance. Now इसका एक और एग्जांपल मैं देता हूं, सपोज आप ऑनलाइन टिकट परचेस करते हो, ट्रेन टिकट आप रिजर्वेशन के लिए आप ऑनलाइन परचेस करो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे विल क्लेम फॉर द इंश्योरेंस। आपको 1 रुपया में आपको इंश्योरेंस दिया जाता है। अगर आप ट्रेन हादसा, भगवान ना करे, खुदा ना करे, किसी का ट्रेन हादसे में कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है, they the family will going to get a compensate, the family will going to get the amount। सब कुछ पता है प्रॉफिट का फैमिलीज को होगा, लेकिन कितना जन है इसको करवाना चाहता है? पसंद किसी को नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है। इस तरह का गुड्स को अनसॉट गुड्स कहा जाता है। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Any questions that comes to your mind? Let's have a discussion. Any questions? Any apart from this? Anything? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Come to the next. Product line and product mix. This is the next topic. Product line and product mix. What is product line? There is not so much difference between product line and product mix, but still there is a difference. Look, what is the difference? A product line is a singular line of similar product that are sold within a company. A product line is a singular line of similar product that are sold with a company. Listen, I have already given you some pictures, clips of product line. Look at this, drinks and beverages, जिसको प्रोडक्ट लाइन कहा जाता है। एक ही कंपनी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सेम लोगों में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट लाइन अप करवा रहा है। लुक एट हियर, शेविंग क्रीम इज देयर, some bottles are there, face cream is there, okay, maybe all this product is being designed, decorated by a single company, but in the product line there are a lot of varieties are there। प्रोडक्ट लाइन कुछ नहीं, डिफरेंट वैरायटीज को कहा जाता है। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
बोलो बोलो, पूछो।
हाँ
Why
सर,
not listen?
क्वेश्चन मतलब कि सर
Now,
जैसे कि आपने बोला कि लाइक प्रोडक्ट लेने की लाइक एक कंपनी ही डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स बनाती है, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कि विप्रो वो सर्विस ये में भी है, और लाइक हाँ वो बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स वो बनाती है।
don't go with the Wipro। छोटा सा एग्जांपल लाओ ना, don't go with the Wipro। अगर किसी को समझाना है, आप अगर किसी को समझा, someone you want to make you understand, make them to understand, then if you give an example of a Wipro, na, they will going to get a puzzle। Take some different examples apart from Wipro। Any other example apart from Wipro? Just go with any products you're not getting। अच्छा चलो, go
Most
with
of the cosmetic brands will go with that,
हाँ,
like
अच्छा no, okay,
different
no,
products.
no problem, no problem, go with the Wipro। Yes, Wipro is lot of products they are having, okay, computers they are preparing, lot of
Yes,
electronic
sir.
items are they are preparing। So Only one name but different brands. Oh, sorry, one brand but different products.
Products.
This is called the product line. Is it clear? This is
Yes,
called
sir.
the product line.
Even they are even in the health sector also. They are also
Definitely.
providing
Definitely, there is a health sector
daily to
also is there.
daily need goods like also. Yes, sir.
Yes, definitely. Now look at the second difference. No, second difference. Look at the second one. Ma'am, can you please enlarge the screen a little bit? Thank you. Okay, look. Oh God. Please keep it over there. अच्छा चलो मैम ने वो डेफिनेशन हटा दिया है, पता नहीं मिल रहा है। प्रोडक्ट मिक्स क्या है? प्रोडक्ट मिक्स का मतलब होता है, सपोज I will go with the beverages company. The same beverages having same taste but different company. Can you differentiate between Coca-Cola and Pepsi? If I'm asking you, can you differentiate Thumbs Up, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi? There is no difference. If you look at the ingredients point, each and every ingredient is similar in comparing with other. What is the meaning of this? It means that different companies with a different brands, with a different name, but they are having one product in the market. This is called product mix. This is the you can carry out a very good example of beverages. Okay, just a mineral water. Kinley is there. Okay, then there is what you can say. Aqua is there. Then there is another one is there. Another Himalaya is there. Okay, these all are the brands. These all are the having different companies. They are having a separate logo of this particular companies, but they are selling one equal item, having equal ingredients. That is, they are selling the pure drinking packaged water. Okay, this type of examples comes under product mix. Are you getting my points? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the basic difference between product line and product mix. This is the basic difference between product line and product mix. Come to the next slide, ma'am. Please go to the next slide. Thank you. Now the next one is branding, packaging, and labeling. The name itself, see, is very easy. What is branding? You can easily understand what is branding. But at the back of the branding, lots of efforts are there to create a brand. Okay, that's why branding is one of the most difficult tasks to do. जैसे आप बोलोगे सर कैसे, जैसे सियाराम सूट्स, रेमंड्स, आजकल ये कपड़े आप देखते हो, आपसे अगर पूछा जाए आजकल ये कपड़े आप देखते हो, रेमंड्स की सूट, सियाराम का सूट्स, हाई मतलब हाई प्रोफाइल businessman or high profile you can say the actors used to do the advertise of this CRMs coming home to the CRMs. अगर आपको ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट याद नहीं है, आप
Exactly. Yes, sir. I remember.
यूट्यूब में जाके इस एडवर्टाइज को देख लेना। ओल्ड इज गोल्ड बोल के एक यूट्यूब में एक ओल्ड एडवर्टाइजमेंट सेक्टर्स है जहां पर आपको ओल्ड एडवर्टाइजमेंट मिलेगा जिसमें ये भी इंक्लूडेड है। बट आज आपको ये दिखता है क्या? दैट इज व्हाई ब्रांडिंग इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर। ब्रांड ओके, बहुत जन ब्रांड क्रिएट करता है, आफ्टर 5, 10, 15 years द ब्रांड नेम एंड्स देयर, देयर इज नो ब्रांड नेम। चलिए एक और एग्जांपल लेता हूं, आपको पता चलेगा। बोले सर तो कौन सा ब्रांड आज टिका हुआ है? टाटा का ब्रांड देख लीजिए, चाहे वो गाड़ी हो, चाहे वो और भी कुछ हो, खाने का सामान हो, आज टाटा ब्रांड्स तब भी था, आज भी है। 25 years, more than 25 years of excellence they are selling. आप एक सिंपल सा नमक पैकेट लीजिए, टाटा सॉल्ट, सिंपल गो विद द टाटा सॉल्ट। उस टाटा सॉल्ट के अगेंस्ट में कितने सारे नमक आए, बट कितने सारे मार्केट में टिक पाए उनके अलावा। आप इनका भी एग्जाम्पल देखिएगा, टाटा सॉल्ट वर्सेस कैप्टन कुक, एक समय इतना कंट्रोवर्सीज हुआ था इन द 90s जब रामायण महाभारत टीवी में चलता था। एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम आप ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखिएगा, एक बहुत बड़े एक्ट्रेस से ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट करवाया गया था, टाटा सॉल्ट वर्सेस कैप्टन कुक। उसमें कैप्टन कुक पिल्स भरी आटा, उस समय बहुत सारा ऐसा कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स था जो कि टॉप रेटेड था, टाटा को टक्कर दिया। लेकिन ब्रांड इज ब्रांड आफ्टर ऑल, ब्रांड इमेज क्रिएट करना इज नॉट अ जोक बाय एनीबॉडी एल्स। टाटा ने अपना ब्रांड इस तरह से, इस कदर ने अपना ब्रांड को होल्ड पे रखा कि कैप्टन कुक आज उस नमक का अता पता नहीं है। आप जाके यूट्यूब में सर्च कीजिएगा कैप्टन कुक सॉल्ट, देखिएगा आपको वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट मिलेगा। एम आई क्लियर? दिस इज कॉल्ड ब्रांड, डेडिकेशंस, पंक्चुअलिटी, ओके, सिंप्लिसिटी, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हार्ड वर्क, दिस ऑल आर द रिक्वायरमेंट। इसके अलावा और भी है, but few of these required 100% to create a brand, whether it is your name, your brand name, or any name of any product. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt you are having?
No, sir. Till here, there is no doubt.
आज ये क्लास खत्म होने के बाद मैंने जो बताया आपको, इसमें थोड़ा सा रिसर्च कर लीजिएगा। जो जो मैंने एग्जांपल्स आपको बताया है, आप कृपया करके यूट्यूब में जाके इस चीज का एनालिसिस कीजिएगा, रिसर्च कीजिएगा। आप इस तरह का अगर एग्जांपल्स, इफ यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ एग्जांपल्स, mentioning these examples in your answer sheet, na, the examiner will definitely going to provide you or give you the good marks, good reviews. You're going to get a good reviews or good marks. Okay.
Okay,
There's
sir.
always, they want always something new. Whenever you are writing the name, anything about on brand, just give this type of examples with a particular date. In the 1996 there was a tough competitions between Tata Salt and Captain Cook. मार्केट तो एक समय कैप्चर कर ही लिया था कैप्टन कुक ने पूरा, आप देखिएगा यूट्यूब में रेटिंग्स। बट फाइनली टाटा इज टाटा, वो अपना ब्रांड को इतना इमेजेस को क्लियर किया है कि आज टाटा कैप्टन कुक का नमक आपको पूरी दुनिया में कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, हवा हो गया है, याद ही नहीं है, हमारे सिर्फ जहनों में याद है। ठीक है, तो टुमारो वी विल गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ब्रांडिंग, पैकेजिंग एंड लेवलिंग ओनली। ओके
Yes, sir.
ओके, चलो, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.